Just now I have given the link. Everybody just please join Google Classroom.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Nobody has joined the class.
Just now I have given the link. Let them come. Okay. By the time you
Okay.
just mute the mic.
Okay, sir. बोलने Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Punya.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. We will wait for a minute. Let them come.
Okay. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. I hope you all have completed exercise 10.1.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir, because I don't understand.
Okay, so don't worry. Today I will explain it once again. As okay, I in the last class I have given you one PDF in your Google Classroom. You all got that
Yes,
one?
sir. Yes, sir.
In that I have given you the how to add. Few conversions are also given. kg into gram. Okay. So what could we? Your sound is not coming clear. Aradhya, you just mute. Aradhya, mute the mic. Yes. Now you tell Purvi.
Sir, what means like
Yes. Now, once again I am explaining this one how to do here. In this, mass is in last class I explained you the difference between mass and weight. Once again we will see. Mass is what? Mass is a simple the measure of the amount of matter in a body. That means it is a number. How many number of cells or in a non-living things it becomes a what? Numbers of atoms. These are not going to be changed whether whether we are here or on other planets or anywhere in the universe. Okay.
no,
But
no, sir. I understand this thing.
okay, I am just revising from the beginning. Okay. Here, while the weight is what? The measurement of amount of force acting on a mass due to acceleration due to gravity. That means whatever the force applied by earth on us, its measurement is called weight. Okay.
What, sir? The fourth?
The force applied by earth on us, जो फोर्स अर्थ हम लोगों के ऊपर लगाता है उसके मेजरमेंट को ही हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? वेट बोलते हैं. कितना यस कितना फोर्स से अर्थ हम लोग को खींचता है और अर्थ जो अपना फोर्स लगाता है उस फोर्स को हम लोग बोलते हैं ग्रेविटी ऑफ अर्थ. ओके
Sir, you have said result will come. When will come the result?
I don't know. In the next month it will come. First week of the next month. That means
और
December.
सर स्कूल कॉपी मांग रहा है, बोले ऑनलाइन में नहीं हो रहा है.
If you have uploaded and if we are not getting your copy on the offline, what actually now जब आप लोग सेंड करते हैं कॉपी तो वो क्या होता है? हम लोगों के पास नेटवर्क स्लो होने के कारण we are not able to get. That's why we are asking.
No, sir.
We have searched so many copies, so many drives, mails, and when we are not getting your copies because someone has sent but he is picture is not looking clear in that PDF. That's why we are asking. Okay.
सर
मॉर्निंग सर।
Good
सर
morning.
सारे बच्चों का पहुंचा है तो फिर फादर बोल रहे हैं कि किसी का अच्छे से नहीं आया है ना, इसीलिए सबका कॉपी मांगना पड़ रहा है अभी।
सबका
30
नहीं,
तक
किसी
है।
किसी वी आर नॉट आस्किंग द कॉपीज ऑफ ऑल स्टूडेंट्स। कुछ स्टूडेंट्स का हम लोग मांग रहे हैं जिनका अच्छे से नहीं आया है।
यस सर, मेरा नहीं।
कुछ स्टूडेंट्स का
कुछ स्टूडेंट्स, वेरी फ्यू आर देयर। ओके,
तो सर वो कहाँ पे आएगा कि कौन से स्टूडेंट को डालना है अपना कॉपी?
यू विल गेट अ मैसेज, टेक्स्ट मैसेज आपको मिलेगा, तभी आपको कॉपी देना
वेयर?
है। In your mobile
Where?
registered mobile number in school, whatever you have registered mobile number, now on that you will get a message. Okay.
ओके।
Now let me explain. Okay. Here, how to convert.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
Okay, good morning. Just see here, and in between that, don't interrupt. Okay. Here,
ओके सर।
how to convert gram, this gram into what? Milligram. To convert gram into milligram, we can do one thing. Okay, here we can do what? This gram can be converted into milligram. You know how to make a big thing a small? बड़े चीज को small हम लोग कैसे बनाते हैं? By cutting it. Here is the symbol. Okay, here is the symbol of cut marks. We can make it a small. ग्राम को कितना से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? By what number we should multiply? 1000. We will multiply it by what? 1000. Then it becomes, yes, then it becomes what? Milligram. And when we divide the milligram by 1000, here division by 1000, it becomes what? Again gram. Clear?
यस सर। यस सर।
Now
Yes, sir.
we will see how to convert kg into gram and gram into kg. Kg means, kg stands for, here I am asking.
किलोग्राम।
Yes, kg
Kilogram.
stands for kilogram. Okay. Here to same formula we will apply. Kg is bigger unit than gram, so we will cut it. That means we will multiply the kg with what? 1000. It becomes what? Gram. Clear? And when whatever be the amount of gram, we just divide it gram by 1000. It becomes now again what?
किलो।
Kg. Kilogram. Kilo stands for 1000. Kilo stands for 1000 times. Yes, kilo stands for 1000 times of anything. Kilometer. 1000 times of meter called kilometer. 1000 times of gram called kilogram. And by dividing 1000th time, that means here 1000th time we will divide the gram, it becomes milligram. Okay, few students are coming here, they are late. Okay.
यस सर। ओके
Sir,
सर।
I am not late.
Okay.
सर आई एम प्रीटी लेट।
Here you can see.
Sir, I am also not late.
Okay. Here you can see gram, the diagram you are able to see.
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So here you can see
Yes,
how
sir.
we are just converting gram into kilogram and again gram into gram. Okay, like that we have one more unit, 1 ton. That means how 1000 times of kg. 1000 times of kg becomes what? Ton. Okay, here. Then how 1 ton we can convert it by multiplying it by 1000, it becomes kg. And again if we will just divide this one by 1000, is again it will converted into ton. Okay, like this you can do. Here I am just going to show you the addition. Okay, how we will add the numbers. That means not numbers, here weight. Addition of weight.
Wait.
Yes. First we will focus over this
Yes, sir.
kg. How to add the kg here? How much kg we have to add? First number is 72 kg and second number is 82.
82.
If we will add, what we will get? 2 plus 2, it
Sir,
becomes
father,
weight.
sir, father,
In between
father
class,
sent text message that all students have to
Aradhya.
keep their
Aradhya.
copies.
Aradhya, listen. In between class, don't interrupt. At the end, you just ask. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Here.
sir.
So 2 plus 2, it becomes 4. And 7 plus 8, it becomes what? 15. So the kg weight is what? How much kg total it is? 154.
52.
52 or 54?
54.
54.
54. Okay. Like this we can do. 54. And here we just see, again we will see how to add these grams. Okay. 150 grams. What is there? 150 grams. Everybody just mute.
280.
Okay. Mute when I will say that. At that time, if you have any problem, only that time you just ask. Otherwise, you will not listen my sound clear. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So here
Okay,
100,
sir.
first number is 150 grams, second number is 280 and third one is 540. If we will add these 30 becomes here 0 and the 5 plus 8 it becomes 13 and plus 4 17, 7 here and 5 plus carry 1 over this 1 1 2 and 2 4 and 4 and 5 it becomes 9. Okay. Like this we have added these grams and kilograms. Now we have to, in the first exercise we have to find the what? Sum. In question number 1 to 6 we have to find the sum. Here I have explained question number 6. This one is question number 6 and this one is question number 1. Now we will see second part of the first exercise, that is find the difference between. Okay, and we will see how to find the difference between these weight. So for that, here I have taken two different weights. First one is what? 92 kg. Okay, here in the blue line it is carry what we have taken. Okay, first here 2 plus 8 we have to subtract. Then when we are just taking from 9, it becomes 12. So 12 minus 8 it becomes 4, and now this 9 becomes what? 8. 8 minus 7 it gives 1. Okay, so our result is 14 kg. The difference is what? 14 kg. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now in the next question, that is question number 12, that is the last question of the exercise, the difference we have to find out. And here what is the difference? We will see here. The first weight is 660 gram and another one is 280 gram. 0, we subtract from 0, it gives always 0. Sum and difference of 0 is always 0. So now here 6, but 6 is smaller than 8, so 1 we will carry and it becomes 16. Like here I have, so here you can see how 1 I have taken from 9, and in this 2 becomes what? 12. So here again I am just taking 1 from this 6, it becomes 16 minus 8, it gives us what? 8. And again this 6 becomes 5, 5 minus 2, it becomes what? 3. Okay, by this way you can find out the difference of two weights. Okay, anyone has any doubt? Then ask here.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
So can this is the revision of the first exercise. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then after,
Okay, sir.
can we move to our next exercise, that is 10.2?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
If you all will tell, then only I
Yes,
will move.
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I am just going to move over the next exercise, that is 10.2. In that we have to do nothing. It is very easy to convert grams into kg or kg into grams. Okay.
Yes.
Before converting this, hello, mute Aradhya, you just mute. Everybody mute. Okay, now here. Now I am going to show you one chart that will help you to convert the gram into different unit, bigger than gram or smaller than gram. Once first we will take a look here. First one is what? Gram. We will start from gram. If we are moving to the left side from the beginning, gram, it becomes 10 times of gram becomes what? Decagram. 10 times of decagram, it becomes what? Hectogram. And 10 times of hectogram becomes kilogram. Okay. And directly if we come here from gram, okay, from gram to kilogram, it is how many times? 1, 2, 3, 3 times. Okay, 3 times of, that means 3 times 10, it becomes 1000 times of gram becomes kilogram. Here it is written the difference. It is decagram is 10 times of gram, hectogram is 100 times of gram, and kilogram is 1000 times of gram. Okay, wait, who is meeting here? It's coming so late. Okay, now if we just see moving to the right side of the gram, it will becomes the 10th part, 100th part, and the 1000th part. That means 1000 times smaller fraction. If we divide it by 1000, one part becomes the milligram. That means अगर ग्राम से हम लोग किसके तरफ मूव करेंगे? राइट साइड की तरफ. देन इट गिव्स व्हाट? डेसीग्राम. 10th part of a gram is called what? Decigram. Then after again 100th part of gram gives what? Centigram. And the 1000th part of gram gives milligram. Okay, by this way we can see or convert. It is very easy to convert it. I just show you with the help of some examples. I will show you here. It is given in the chart, whatever given here. One thing you can notice here, from moving to milligram to centigram, decigram, gram, decagram, hectogram and kilogram, what we are doing? We are just multiplying the next number by 10. लास्ट नंबर को मिलीग्राम को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इट बिकम्स सेंटीग्राम. फिर उसको 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इट बिकम्स व्हाट? डेसीग्राम. दैट मीन्स अगर हम एक स्टेप आगे मूव करते हैं तो 10 से डिवाइड करेंगे, 2 स्टेप मूव करते हैं तो 100 से. दैट मीन्स इफ एनीवन आस्क यू, अगर कोई आपसे पूछे कि 1000 मिलीग्राम और किलोग्राम में कितना का डिफरेंस है, तो बोलेंगे मिलीग्राम्स इज 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and what? lakh times of milligram is what? kilogram. ऐसे पूछ सकते हैं. If anyone asks you hectogram is how many times of gram, then here it is written 1000 times of gram.
The network problem.
So you just, today weather is little bit cloudy, so today network problem will come. Okay, so it would be better you just come outside the house, just in veranda and all that places you can come. Okay. Hello, who is speaking here?
ये जो सबसे लास्ट में है, देख
Mute.
कहाँ जाते? ओके सर.
Sanya and Pushkar, you also mute.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay, who
someone
is
is
presenting?
presenting.
Stop presenting.
Sir, I can't see you and hear you.
Now I am presenting. Okay, don't present in
Okay,
between
sir.
this. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Aradhya, mute.
Yes, sir.
After speaking your words, you just mute the mic. Okay.
Sir, I muted.
Okay. Now here
Okay.
again you can see this is the different charts I have given for you in the last class. Now we will see how to convert this gram into what? Kilogram. And how we will convert it? It is very easy to convert. 95 gram we have to convert it by what? Gram. So as we have seen here, kilogram is 1000 times of gram, so we will multiply it by 1000. Here we are doing multiplying. Okay,
600 GT, gram T and 5 kg and 50 gram of pulses. What is the total weight of all the articles?
if you will see here, one second, you just wait. Okay, here I have written here 951 into 1000. Okay, it becomes a gram. So what we will do? Here we will do 95 divided by what? Divided by 1000, it becomes what? 0.095 kg. Okay, here this one becomes, whenever this is what? 95 gram by thousands, it becomes what? Kg. Here you can find it. Whenever your mouse will come here, you will see these things here. Okay, the next question, how we are converting gram into kilogram? Who will speak? Hello.
Yes, sir. Right.
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Hello, Puskar, you just speak. How we can convert? Aradhya, mute. Otherwise, next time I will remove you. Okay. Puskar, are you listening me?
Yes, sir.
Puskar, no, he is not listening me. Okay. Now you just tell Jyotsna how we can convert gram into kilogram. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
can I see?
Yes, say. Hello.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
your voice is not coming properly.
Aditya Raj, you just tell how we can convert gram into kilogram. It is very easy to convert. You people are not able to tell, but if you will focus, we have
Good morning,
seen.
sir.
Okay, you are coming late. Good morning. Here it is very easy to convert. Just divide. Here what I am doing, you just see. Here we can divide it by what? 1000. Then we will be able to make it into kilogram. It
Sir,
will
where? There is
Here
not presenting anything.
is this?
you are able to see the presentation PDF.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, one second. Again, I am just presenting it. Okay.
मानो पेट में पत्थर हो जाए.
No, sir.
Hello.
कभियो मत खाना.
Now,
No, sir. Yes, sir.
No,
Yes,
sir.
okay, very
No,
good.
sir.
Okay, mute.
No, sir.
Your network problem is there, Aradhya. Okay. So here it is given how we are converting 95 gram. We are dividing it by what? 1000, and it becomes 0.095 gram. Okay. Gram or kilogram? Gram or kilogram? Just tell. When we are dividing gram by 1000, it becomes
Sir, gram.
किलोग्राम
kilogram. Kilogram is the correct. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Like that, another question is here. 780 milligram, and we have to convert into what? Grams. So how we can convert it? It is very easy to convert. Okay.
Convert in what?
By dividing.
By what number we will divide? I have given here the symbol to divide. Okay. Here we can write
780 divided by 1000 is equal to 0 multiplied by 1000 gram.
Okay. 780 divided by
1000.
1000. Then it becomes what?
780
0.78 gram.
1000.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here if you will see here, whenever you just bring here 780 milligram, we are dividing that milligram by 1000, it becomes gram. Okay.
Gram. Okay, sir.
By this way you all will be able to solve which exercise? 10.2. Everybody have? Yes. Now here one thing we have to see. Convert this 21 kg 46 gram into kilogram. We have to convert it. That means we have to add here. Here one thing, every place I have left the symbol. Okay. So if you will see here, what we have to do here? For 21 kg, let it be in kg because we have to convert into what? Kg. Okay. But here we will do one thing. 46 gram, we will divide it by what number? We will divide it by 1000, then it becomes 0.046 kg, and then after we will add it here, it becomes what? 21.046 kg. Okay. Hello. Mute Jyotsna, mute the mic. When you are not speaking at that time, you just mute, otherwise others are listening the sounds whatever going in the background of you. ओके आपके पीछे बैकग्राउंड में अगर कोई बोलता है तो उसके साउंड्स भी हम लोग सुन सकते हैं. सो माइक को म्यूट कर देंगे वेन एवर यू आर नॉट स्पीकिंग. ओके. सो बाय दिस वे यू कैन कन्वर्ट these things. Okay. So homework is what? 10.1 as well as 10.2.
So it was our homework.
Yes, 10.1 was our homework, but now new homework is what? Exercise
10.2.
10.2. By this way we can solve exercise 10.1 and 10.2. Clear? And one notice I am going to give you.
Yes, sir.
In this month, December month before the Christmas, okay.
किसी का खत्म हो गया तो फिर से बनाएगा.
What? किसी का खत्म हो गया तो नहीं, किसका खत्म हो गया तो फिर से नहीं बनाएगा. They will just in the homework section they will attach their file. Okay. You have to only attach.
Okay, sir.
You have to only attach your file here. I will see. Clear? Now I am
Sir,
stopping.
where?
In Google Classroom you have to do. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
So
sir.
now I am going to ask few. Now I am going to ask few questions from you all. Easy question. You have
Yes,
to
sir.
just reply. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who is coming at this time? Okay. First,
Yes, all that one.
to convert kg into gram, what we will do? One line answer you have to tell. One sentence.
Multiply
Sir,
multiply by 1000.
multiply by 1000.
Very good.
Multiply
Multiply by 1000.
Okay. Only
Multiply by 1000.
one
Sir,
time you just
multiply.
tell. I listen. We will multiply it by 1000.
Multiply.
Okay. Now, how we just convert gram into milligram? ग्राम को मिलीग्राम में कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे?
Divide by 1000. Sir, divide by 1000.
Sir, divide by 1000.
Yes, gram.
Divide by 1000.
Divide by 1000.
Very good. But in the first I ask you, ग्राम को किलोग्राम में कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे? How to convert
Multiply by 1000.
ग्राम into किलोग्राम?
Divide by 1000. Sir,
Why
divide by
convert?
1000.
Divide by 1000.
We divide it by 1000. Now, how to convert kilogram into gram?
So multiply by 1000.
Very good. And
Multiply by 1000.
milligram into gram?
Divide by 1000.
Very good. Milligram is a smaller unit, so we will divide it by 1000. It becomes gram. Clear? And gram को milligram में कैसे convert करेंगे? Again.
So multiply by 1000.
Very good.
Multiply by 1000. Multiply by 1000.
Very good. One. Again, just listen. 6 kg and 10 kg becomes
16 kg.
16 kg.
okay. Okay, very good. Now another question I am going to ask. Full form of kg?
Kilogram.
Very good.
Kilogram.
Now here you just see what is the full form of decigram. Sorry, short form of decigram. How we are writing decigram? Yes, decigram dg. Okay. Here by this way we can write decigram. Okay. Very good. Now you are free to ask your doubts. Hello. Now mute everybody. Mute the mic. Now, if you have any doubts in exercise 10.1 or 10.2, then you can ask. Otherwise, you have to show me those who have completed their exercise 10.1. Can you show me your notebook here?
Okay, sir.
Please show me your notebook where you have solved.
I have problem. Okay, sir.
Okay, wait, let them show
Sir,
first, then after I will explain
10
your problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Those who have solved that exercise 10.1, show me. Okay. Oh, you just hold your book or notebook like this. Okay. 1 second for time being. You just show me. I will see. Yes. Very good. Astuti. Okay. Next, who is going to show me? Aniket. Okay. Astha.
Where?
I've seen. Sanya, I have seen. Mayank, I have seen. You are showing me the book. I am asking for notebook. Okay. Where you have solved. कॉपी दिखाइए कहाँ आप सॉल्व किए हैं. You have to show your notebook.
Okay.
Okay. Very good, Shivam. So I hope the same. Tomorrow you in the next class you will show me the exercise 10.2 and then after I will explain you. If you will focus in first session of this class, in that we have seen how to add the numbers. Okay, that you have to solve in exercise 10.3, but today as a homework you just solve only exercise 10.2. Okay, in your Google Classroom. Yes.
Can I ask a question?
Okay, I'm just going to ask. You all have book?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, open page 113. From there I will ask. Okay.
Sir, wait. Sir, wait. I am opening.
130 and 113.
113. 1313.
Sir,
Not
open it.
yes, not 30. Don't present anything here.
Sir, wait.
Stop presenting.
All are presenting, sir, on biggest screen.
Not everyone are Ravina.
Okay, no need to reply. Okay.
My name is not Veena. My name is not Veena.
Okay, silent. Otherwise I will remove you from here. No fighting among
Sir, what
yourself.
page number? Sir, what page number?
Exercise 10.2, page number 113. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Question number first. How many grams make 3 kg? First one. What we will do? Yes. Very good. 3000 gram. Now 4 kg
3,000
4,000 grams.
and 6 kg.
6,000 grams.
Very good.
6,000 grams.
Here only by this way we can solve all the exercise. Okay. Now next question is convert into gram. To convert the gram, what we are doing? We are simply multiplying kg by 1000 and adding if extra gram is given there. Okay. So in question number 2a, 2 kg becomes how many grams? Again 2000 grams.
2,000 grams.
Okay, now D number 5 kg 280 gram. It becomes what?
13,000
5,280 grams.
Very good.
5,280 grams.
Very good.
5,280
Now
grams.
okay, only one time you just tell.
5,280 grams.
Only one time you just tell.
to tell.
Okay, Astha. Only Astha will reply. One by one I will give you chance. Okay. Then 6 kg 130 gram. Only Astha will tell. Astha tell. Rest mute. Astha,
She
where are
has
you?
left the meeting.
Okay, no problem. Aman Kumar, you just tell. 6 kg 130 gram. It becomes how many grams?
6,130 grams.
Very good. Now you just mute. Astha, you can listen me.
Sir, yes, sir.
Now you just reply question number F. 2F 18 kg 95 gram. It becomes how many grams?
Last question, sir.
F number 2F.
F number.
Yes, F number. Rest, mute the mic.
F number.
By name I am calling you. Okay.
Sir,
Okay,
sir,
now.
answer is 18,095 kg.
Okay, very good.
Gram.
18,095 gram. That we can speak.
5 gram.
Yes,
Yes, sir, I am
18,095.
telling you.
Okay, rest all mute. Ankit, now you will tell. Ankit Kumar, third D. Okay, he will tell 17 kg 230 gram.
7,000.
17
Seven.
kg. Once again, you just repeat.
7,000 gram.
Wrong, it is. Now, Aditya Srivastava, you just tell. Wait.
17,000.
Aradhya, silent please. I will give you chance. Wait. Aditya.
230.
Okay. Now, Aradhya Anand, third B. She will tell 9 kg 99 gram.
9,099 gram.
Okay. Then next, Aditya Raj 3A.
Sir, can
Aniket mute.
sir, I can check?
Aditya Raj,
Yes, sir.
you just tell 20 kg 250 gram. It becomes how many grams? If we will convert
What, sir?
I number 2I, that means 20 kg 250 gram. When we convert into gram, it becomes what? How many grams?
Sir, kilogram.
Yes, किलोग्राम में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो ये क्या कितना होगा? हाउ मच?
So 21 kilogram.
Wrong. Purvi, your sound is not coming clear. Okay. Yasi Dikshit, third B.
Voice is not coming.
You can listen me, Yasi. Yasi Dikshit.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
My voice is. Yes, you just tell.
250 gram. Sir, your voice
Very
is
good.
coming.
Okay. Now Riya Rani, can you listen me?
50 grams.
Riya,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
rest everybody mute. Riya, you just tell me to convert. Now we have to convert 3 number question, that is kilogram into gram. Here it is given 3250 gram. When we will convert into gram and kilogram, it becomes what? Riya, can you tell me? Purvi, your sound is not coming in there. Mayank, Mridul Mayank, you can hear me?
May I see, sir?
Yes, sir.
You just tell 3A.
Sir, 3 kilogram and 250 gram.
Very good. Aradhya Anand, you just tell B number 3B.
4 kilogram 590 gram.
Very good. Then after here it is one name showing Aditi 5th A, but I don't know who is here. Can you tell me your name? Okay. Name is.
Sir, I will tell.
Hello. Okay, wait. I just let me check. How many are here? Pranjal, where are you?
Sir, my sister name is there.
Yes, what is your name?
Sir, my name is Aditya Raj.
Okay, Aditya, you just tell me 3C. Question number 3, C number.
Sir, I have not book because I am in village.
Okay. At present you are in village. At village. Okay. So who will tell? Sanya. Wait. Sanya, can you hear me?
Sir, what is the meaning of village?
विलेज मतलब गांव. इंडिया इज ए कंट्री ऑफ विलेज. भारत को गांवों का देश कहते हैं. यहाँ पे शहरें कम है और गांव ज्यादा है. ठीक है. विलेज का मतलब होता है गांव.
Yes, sir.
ओके.
Sir, you are not asking question to me.
Your name? Okay, after this I will ask. Wait a minute. Two Aradhya are here, na? One Aradhya
Yes,
Anand
sir.
and one Aradhya Burma.
Yes, sir. You have asked 2 question from Aradhya Anand.
Okay, by mistake. Now you just tell. Sanya, you're over, but we are not getting your sound.
What's that? Sir, mine is not over.
Okay, wait. Aradhya Burma, you just tell me 3D. 5,580 gram. How can we convert and what it becomes in gram and
555,080 gram.
we have to convert into kg and gram. How much kg and gram it is?
55 kilogram 80 gram.
Wrong. 5 kg.
Sir, I say,
Wait. Shivam, you just said. No, Aradhya,
No, sir.
silent. Shivam Kumar Singh, 3C, you just tell.
Sir, question.
Same question, you have to correct it.
3 kg.
3D I am asking. 5580 grams. What it becomes when we convert it into kilogram and gram?
5 kg, 580 gram.
Very good. Now mute. Here one name is showing, but this student is not speaking. Virendra Kumar Karn. Where are you? What is your name? I think it's your father name.
Sir, who?
Here Virendra Kumar Singh name is showing here. I don't know who is. Hello.
Sir, I am Pushkar.
Okay, Pushkar. You just tell me question number 3E. That is 3000 gram. When we convert into kilogram and gram, it becomes what? What amount it becomes?
Sir, I say
Yes.
3 kg 000 gram.
Only you just tell 3 kg. If in gram side 0 is there, then no need to say the gram. Okay? Only 3 kg. Okay, Jyotsna, you just tell 3I. Last number question.
9,111 grams.
Very good. I hope by this way you all can solve only 3 or 4 questions I left here, so that you can solve by yourself. Okay?
Okay, sir.
In Google Classroom I have posted. Hello.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
In Google Classroom you just make your attendance, then after you just go. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And what is the homework?
क्रिसमस के बारे में बोल रहे थे ना.
Sir, we must do
Okay, in the next.
That is result.
Yes, in the next class I will give you one more information. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Along with along with
Okay,
result,
sir.
one more tension will come to for you all.
What?
Yes, sir.
सबसे पहले क्या होगा?
Wait.
Sir, what? Sir,
Wait.
tension it is. Sir,
No,
it is tension.
yes, little bit it will create tension for you. Okay,
Oh my God, sir, what?
not for you all. Okay,
Sir,
because
sir,
one
marks कम आएगा.
one
Sir,
hint.
marks कम आएगा वो है.
No. One hint I am going to give you. We have completed our first unit test. Listen,
अरे चुप रहो ना सब, सर का बात सुनो ना.
mute. Everybody mute. We have completed our first unit test half yearly. Now which turn is there?
Final.
Second unit test.
Yes,
Final.
No, not final.
second unit test.
Second unit test.
The second unit test.
Second unit.
Okay, now mute. Listen me. This is, now class is over. You all just come into Google Classroom, make attendance, and then after you just go. Okay, and if you have any doubts regarding anything,
Sir, in which date unit test?
that I will tell you in the next class. Na, I just told you. Na?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So this is the tension.
Yes, a small tension, not a big tension. Okay. So just come in Google Classroom and whatever you have problem along regarding exercise 10.1 and 10.2, Aradhya Verma mute. You just ask there, I will explain you. Okay? Okay. By yourself, you just leave the meeting.
What, sir?
Now
Bye, sir.
leave the meeting. Bye everybody. Come in Google Classroom, make attendance. Then after you just go. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Bye everybody. Aditya Raj.
Excuse me, sir.
Aditya Raj, you have any problem? Tell.
Sir, you were saying that I will come my home.
Yes, but due to Corona, we are not going any outside. We celebrated at our home only. Okay. Just beside
Okay, sir.
my
At a
house.
school we will meet.
Yes, I hope after the Christmas, if school will open, surely we will
Yes,
meet
sir.
here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everybody just leave
What,
the
Shiva?
meeting by yourself. I am feeling bad to remove you from the here, so I just tell you to leave the meeting by yourself. Come into Google Classroom. Okay? Fast. Leave.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Okay.